Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for you guys. So Glowrium reached out to me and asked if I can do an honest review on one of their product. Glowrium is a professional lighting company that was opened in 1999, and they have anything from commercial lighting, home lighting, aquarium lighting, horticultural lighting, farming lighting, and I think a few others. So they reached out to me in email and we were chatting back and forth, and we came to an agreement that they were going to send me one of their products and for me to give an honest review listing any of the pros and cons I might see about their product. So further or less, let's get started. So here is the package. I haven't even opened it yet, so I don't really know what it truly looks like, but what I can see on this package, they sent me a 40-watt grow light that is 68.9 inches tall in the color black. And I think I have a place I want to put this. So let's go ahead and just open it up. Moment of truth. Ooh, there's a lot of things in here. Let's see. Comes with a little user manual that kind of shows us how to set up the light and what the light spectrum is. So based on this, it says that this light spectrum is, so it says the feature has an auto on off 360 degree flexible gooseneck and an adjustable height. I wonder how high it goes. So it has certain levels, so A, B, A1, A2, and B1. So I guess these are the, how tall or short we want the item to be. And if we want it shorter, we just take one out. That's cool. And then they have a dual head grow light that we can choose to either have one grow light or two on there, which is kind of nice. Let's go ahead and just set it up and see how I like it. So let's see how they set it up. I'm gonna read the manual before I mess anything up. Okay, so it says to take the base plate, which is this. It is actually a very nice type of material. It's like very matte, but as you can see, very sturdy. And then it has this protective bottom end to it, which kind of protect your floor, whatever floor you might have. I have vinyl, so that would protect my floor. Packaging so far looks nice, but there is a little bit of a damage right here at the top corner where the foam is, but overall that's not bad. Let's go ahead and set this on the floor, and it says to grab A1 and A2. Does it label? Doesn't really label what A1 and A2, but I'm gonna, oh, the pictures, okay. These two is A1, A2 because it has this little thing here and this one doesn't, so that's a different thing. I'm gonna go ahead and start just screwing it on. So far, setting this up is pretty easy. And this one probably goes like that. And then this is the dual head that they're talking about. It looks very nice. I like how chic it is, very minimal, not a lot of things going on, which is nice. I think I'm gonna just have it kind of like that. And then I'm gonna screw it onto the top. It's like an arm workout. I'm probably just weak. There we go. That was easy enough. Okay. Right. And then it looks like this end connects to something. Connects to this. So I've been having this type of setup with the hanging light on my Burley Marks flames. And I don't really like how it kind of looks because of the aesthetics. So that is where I'm gonna try to replace. I'm gonna take out the whole hanging light. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the Glowrium light. Okay, let's go ahead and move this guy in. Let's go ahead and take my light meter and see how much foot candle it measures. So from the top leaf, it reads about 257. And let's see how far the bottom one here has. About 115. And this one is about 180. So I'll go ahead and include their website down below, as well as the link to this certain grow light that they sent to me. Okay, so overall, my first impression of Glowrium packaging is very nice. I also think the light that they sent me is very modernized, chic, and the quality that they provide is very nice. Lighting so far looks good. I do wish it was a little, you can adjust the height to become even higher than that. I also do wish that the light was a little bit stronger, but other than that, I have no other complaints on that. It looks very nice, looks very chic. I do like how it looks in my plant room. I will give you guys an update on it in about a month or so to let you see how well my Burley Marks Fantasy is doing. So we'll go on from there. But other than that, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye guys.